Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to code a questionnaire on Google Form using Excel and SPSS. Start by creating a Google form and adding all the questions with clear answer options. After you have created it, publish the form by clicking on Publish. After publishing, click on Copy Responder Link and forward the link to the responders. Once the responders have submitted their responses, go to the Responses tab. I do not have a paid subscription for Excel or SPSS, so I will demonstrate the process using Google Sheets. This process is similar to Excel and SPSS, and you can easily follow the steps. Click on View in Sheets. In Google Sheets, you can assign numerical codes to different response options to make analysis easier. This works in a similar way to Excel or SPSS. You can also use formulas, filters, or charts to summarize and interpret the data. To create a chart, go to Insert and click on Chart. As you can see, we have successfully created a column chart. If you want to change it, go to Chart Type and select any option from the drop-down menu. This method allows you to collect code and analyze form responses efficiently. It works just like Excel and SPSS. We have learned how to code and organize Google form responses using Google Sheets. Google Sheets can serve as an effective alternative to Excel or SPSS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.